guys, so I'll be showing you today how I did these braids on my fresh retie. I'm just showing you guys the final look, but I'll shortly get into actually how I did them. So here I am parting the second braid. I already did the first one just to speed things up, and I parted it as best as I could. I actually didn't do as bad as I thought I would, but yeah, I just tried to feel it through, and yeah, it didn't turn out too bad, so keep watching. So I start off by just braiding it. I mean, I don't really know how to explain camera in, but that's the method I'm using. I know there are better methods for locks, but I don't know how to do those, so I'm doing what I know how to do, and also because I wanted my braids to be as flat as possible, so I wanted my hair to be as flat as possible. That's why I went for the camera option. But again, I didn't know what the back was looking like. I honestly was just hoping it didn't look too bad, but yeah, I think I did okay. So I'm using some elastic bands to tie the ends of the braids just to stop them from unraveling. And just for a bit of context, guys, I've been locked for a year now, and I'm loving the process. I am. So yeah, a year I've been locked, and I recently coloured my locks. I had fun with them during the summer. Yeah, I started them in the winter, so last November. I mean, technically I started in May, but I wasn't interlocking, so they just weren't forming properly. But I would say that I've officially been locked from November, because that's when I started interlocking my hair. And yeah, it's just been thriving since. I'm really happy, and I can't wait for them to grow even longer. But honestly, they have grown so much, I must say. So by this stage, I was definitely feeling the braids. I was liking what I was seeing. The parts were straight. So with this hairstyle, I actually took it out a few hours after putting it in, because my scalp was really tender. I put these braids in the day after my retie, so yeah, as you can imagine, my scalp was quite sensitive, and yeah, I just thought I'll do it a few days later once, like, you know, it's not as tight. But yeah, definitely love this style. Like I said, I love how it brings up my face, but it was just a bit too soon after my retie. So if you've just got a retie, maybe wait a few days before you go and do this style. So this was a finished look, guys. These were my 5 braids. I really like them. I will definitely be doing them again. As you can see, there's a little piece at the front that was not intentional. It was just a piece that got left out, so I just let it be. And as you can see here, I've got a big band, a headband, but if you've got a scrunchie, you can use one of those. And I just tied it at the back of my hair just to add a bit of style to the ends, which is really cute. So yeah, if you've got a scrunchie, use that. If you're wondering how to get rid of the little pieces sticking out of your braids, just pull the locks all the way through and tuck them back in. But this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and stay tuned for more creative lock styles. Until next time, bye.